Assalamu Walaikum. In this video, how to make a colorful font in Photoshop. Let's begin. Step 1. I already typed this text. Step 1. Click Effects, Gradient Overlay and see this. So the gradient color palette. Use 2 color gradient, 3 color gradient, multiple color gradient. Okay. And change the liner option, angle, reflected angle. Okay. And you can use this blending options, bevel, size 9 pixels. Okay, and step 2, I already inserted or write this text. Create again double document, right click, convert to smart object, rasterize layer and gradient options, reflected, right click again, convert to smart object, rasterize layer, go to the filter tab, liquify, sorry, and mix color, colorful. Okay, then press Ctrl A, press Ctrl, sorry, right click, select pixels, press Ctrl C, copy and press Ctrl V, paste, right click, create a clipping mask, press Ctrl T again,